Good morning. MS Paint. We all like drawing and painting. We can do these on computer also using the Paint program, that is Microsoft Paint. It is a program which we can use to draw and color anything we like. Starting Paint. To start Paint, we have to click on Start, All Programs, Accessories and Paint. When the paint is started, a window appears like this. This is the paint window. Now components of paint window. Title bar. Title bar is located at the top of MS Paint window. It consists of the file name and the name of the program, that is MS Paint. Quick access toolbar. The quick access toolbar consists of the buttons to do the common task. Paint button. The paint button is located at the top left corner of the MS Paint window. When we click on it, a list of various options get displayed. Ribbon. The ribbon consists of the various items like the color box, shapes gallery, toolbox, brushes and many more. Drawing area. Drawing area is the place where we draw and paint. It covers the major part of the paint window. Control buttons. They are used to minimize, maximize, restore and close the current window. Horizontal scroll bar. It is used to pan the text or image horizontally. Vertical scroll bar. It is used to pan the text or image vertically. Status bar. It shows the current status of current file like size of pixel, zoom size, etc. Color box. The color box consists of the colors that we use to draw and paint. Toolbox. Toolbox consists of the tools that is used to draw pictures and type text. It consists of 6 tools that are pencil tool, fill with color tool, text tool, eraser tool, zoom tool and the dropper. MS Paint for Android mobile is Paint for Android. Thank you. Now we will see how to draw shapes in Microsoft Paint. We can draw many shapes like lines, square, triangle, rectangle, circle, ellipses and so on, using the shapes available from the Shapes Gallery. First of all, let us see how we can draw a line. We will select the line tool from Shapes Gallery and simply drag the mouse in the drawing area. To draw a perfect line, we press Shift key while dragging the mouse in the drawing area. In this way, we can draw any shape with any color. In different color also, we can draw any shape like rectangle like this. If we want to draw triangle, we can draw a triangle like this. If we want to draw a square, for drawing a square, we have to simply press Shift key for drawing a perfect square. And we can draw a star as well as arrow, any shape we like, we can draw in Microsoft Paint. Now, coloring the shapes. We can also color the shapes by using Fill with Color tool. We will select the Fill with Color tool from Tools group and we can select any color and fill it in our image. Like this, you can see we can easily fill any color in the shape. Eraser tool. With the help of eraser tool, we can erase our drawing. Like this, you can see we can erase our drawing with the help of selecting an image. To select an image, we use select tool. For example, we have drawn a triangle and below the triangle is the rectangle. This is the shape we have drawn. Now to select this shape, we go to Home tab, Image Group, Select option. There are two options present in Select tool. Rectangular selection. It is used to work on any rectangular or square drawing. When we take this selection, rectangular selection, we have to drag our mouse along the sides of the image and our image gets selected. And the other is freeform selection. This tool is used to work on any irregular shaped drawing. Here we are taking rectangular selection. We will select our image and now moving an image. To move the drawing from one place to another in the drawing area, we have to first select the image and now we can simply drag it to any part of the drawing area like this. Like this we can move our image, or we can do select the image, then from Home tab, Clipboard Group, Cut option and Paste option. Now we can take our image to any part of the drawing area. Next is copying an image. Copy command is used to make a duplicate copy of the image. To copy the image, again we will take select tool, rectangular selection, select our image or drawing, then click on copy command in Clipboard Group and then paste. A duplicate copy of the image appears on the top left corner of the drawing area. We can move the image to any location. In this way, we can make any number of copies of our image like this. That's all for today. Thank you.